to maintain the results at home. And so I always say, if you want to grow a garden, you want to make sure your soil is really good. And so that's the same with the skin. You want to make sure that your skin is primed and it's able to sort of take on the treatment and get the results of that treatment. And so a couple of things that I always say to patients is you want a few products. I think a very good hydrating cleanser that's gentle and non-irritating to the skin is very important. You want to keep the skin cleansed, but you also don't want to break down the skin barrier with a harsh product. So a gentle cleanser, and I really like this one. It has botanical extracts and it's very healthy for the skin, and it can be used even when you're not in the middle of a treatment. You'll love it so much that it can be part of your daily skincare routine. So a good gentle cleanser is what I put my patients on. And one thing that we always use before microneedling is a copper mist hyaluronic acid serum. And I really love the combination here. Hyaluronic acid, as many of you already know, it holds about 1,000 times its weight in water. And so it's a potent hydrator. And when it's combined with a trace element like copper, you're getting benefits of basically cellular rejuvenation. So when you do an invasive treatment like an RF needling, you're looking for cellular regeneration and treating your skin with ceramides and peptides that are going to help promote collagen production and restore the skin barrier is very important. And copper is an essential element that does that. It is an anti-aging. It has anti-aging properties, and it also helps in healing of the skin. It works on a cellular level to promote, it basically prevents oxidative damage of cells. So a combination of copper and hyaluronic acid is wonderful, and I really don't know of many products on the market like this one. And we basically can use it safely prior to microneedling. You could even spray it on the patient, and then you could do traditional needling. But prior to RF, I do it on dry skin, so I don't spray the patient with anything. But afterwards, you can certainly use this and send the patient home with this. And this is just truly a great product just to have in your bag when you're traveling, or especially now when we're masked. It's very dry and the skin is just not getting enough humidity. It's getting too much humidity. It's just too dry, and spraying your face with a little bit of this mist, it's very soothing. So this is one of my favorite products that I use quite a bit in my practice. And another product to send a patient home with is always great. It's a growth factor gel. And again, as the skin is rejuvenating, you want to promote the cellular healing, and using a growth factor product like this is wonderful. It creates a nice barrier between the skin and sort of anything that's on top. It sort of protects the skin. And it's one that you could just apply throughout the day as needed, and it's going to be soothing, comforting, and it's also going to help heal. And the other favorite of mine is always a hyaluronic acid serum, pure HA serum. And what you can do with this is use it throughout the day during your treatment in combination with the growth factor serum and even the mist. So putting this on is going to help increase the moisture of the skin and prevent that dryness that you can experience. And HA is always a lovely product to have simply because it plumps the skin and it makes it look really fresh.